Well, hello guitar students, Mr. Sam back with lesson number 4 on windy and warm. Now, if you have any doubts about the F chord, go back and take a look at my video. It's just called More on the F chord. There's the F chord video and then there's More on the F chord. And it's in that More on the F chord that you'll find a little bit more about this wrapped F chord. We'll come a little closer here. What we're doing is we're getting, again, I've got my capo on the 2nd fret, and this is in A minor, but with the capo on the 2nd fret. The actual concert key is B minor, one step up. So put your capos on the 2nd fret, and I'll just play through a little bit and go real slow and show you how I get out of this main body of the song and into the turnaround. So here we go. So what I do, I'm going into that F chord. I'm taking my pointer finger, my index finger, plucking that 3rd string. Then I come on with an F chord. So that's a hammer-on. And when that finger's coming down, I'm also coming up and plucking the 6th string. Oops, wrong string there. And then I sweep across, so I'll do it real slow. Sometimes it's hard to do it real slow. So 3rd string from the bottom, 2nd string, and then I'm coming down, strumming that F chord. That's kind of a Merle Travis technique there, where instead of, I could just pick that note, I could go, but I'm going, strumming it there with my hand, muting the strings. Then I go into an E minor, coming up here, and I just do a pinch between the 6th and the 2nd, and then that's with my pinching between my middle finger and my thumb. So that's pinch between 6th and 2nd. Then I'm taking my index finger, plucking the 3rd, and then I'm using my thumb to get the 4th. So together. Then I go back to the A minor and that strum Travis picking. What was I doing there? Okay. When you finish that, and then the A minor again. So you on that A minor chord, you're going 5, strum, 6, and instead of strumming, I could go, but instead I go, then I just hit the 4th string twice with my thumb. Then I am holding an A minor chord, and I am playing, I'm actually using my 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers, picking those bottom 3 strings. And I'm using a syncopation here. Listen to this. Oops. I'm doing that alternating bass line. So the bass line is, let's see. Now it's a little tricky to show you on that. Let's see, I'll just do it and you can watch here. Then I go to a D minor and I pluck the fourth string, then I pull the bottom three strings, then I go, let's see, up to an E7 chord. And for that E7 chord, I am simply putting my index finger on the third string first fret and my middle finger on the fifth string. No, let's see. Let me start that again. The pointer finger, third string first fret, middle finger, fifth string second fret, just like that. That gives you a D7. The seventh is that fourth string, that D note. And then what I do down here is I do a hammer-on the first string, on and off. Listen to that. Then I come down to my second string, third fret, and I do a pull off there too. But I pull off to the first fret. It's hard to do it when I'm doing it slow. Then back in. So I'll go over that one more time. We're going A minor chord, then you slide the A minor chord up 2 frets, then on the 5th fret you're just laying your ring finger across the bottom 4 strings and pulling really just those bottom 3 strings. Then you go back to the A minor chord on the 3rd fret, 1st fret, then wide open. That's really a little tiny G chord, and then A minor. Now the second time I do this, I am actually using my 5th string as my bass note with my A minor chord, which is the A note. Then I slide up 2 frets to the 3rd, and I'm using the 4th string. Then I lay my index finger across the 5th fret, and I'm using the 6th string as my bass. Back to that A minor chord, slid up to the 3rd fret, and I'm using the 4th string as my bass. Slide my A minor chord back to its first position, and I'm using the the 5th string, which is the A string. That's the open. Then to that D minor, using that 4th string, which is the D string, as my bass note. Then up to that E minor. No, it's not an E minor, it's an E7 chord, excuse me. Strum across it. Well, you know something, folks? That's probably enough for today. I find when I'm demonstrating these, sometimes when I'm playing it really slow like that, it's actually a little bit harder to get it. But take it one step at a time. You can slow these videos down. Have fun with it. It's going to take a while to learn this, but it's worth learning. You learn a lot of techniques that you can use in a lot of other songs. You can do a lot of gospel songs with the techniques you learn in Windy and Warm. Well, have fun with it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.